Hello my gamers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aiden, and in today's video, if you guys have already played Brookhaven, all I did this update, then in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys the new update in Brookhaven. So the update is there is a mysterious new construction zone. Something big is being built in Brookhaven. Investigate the new construction area by the airport. Fixes and improvements. Some bug fixes and improvements have been added to the game. Right, let's get in the video. So these are my clothes what I'm wearing, and I am also wearing this construction hat too. Let me just get my skateboard and let's ride. Construction ahead. What is this construction area? What? What's in here? There's a jet and door. Can you even get inside? Oh, you can't get inside. But how do I get out? What? Construction ahead. Right, so this must be the new construction area. Right, let's stop there. Let's have a look. This construction area looks very odd. Let me just investigate this. Very odd, I think. Construction complete in 2 days, 20 hours and 55 minutes. Under construction. Very good. You can do concrete here. This is a great place to be doing concrete, especially in real life. Look at all of these buildings. You can do concrete. You can do anything here. You can just do some building and be a builder. Or yeah, a bodybuilder is being like a gym. Can you climb up this? You can. Let's climb up this. I can move this. There's a toilet here. There's anything. This is like a tunnel, and you can just move this. Anyways, my gamers, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just like a quick update. I just wanted to do an update so I could show you guys, or if you guys already know. And yeah. Anyways, my gamers, if you gamers really like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below, and also don't forget to watch any of my other updates or any of my games. Bye, my gamers.